So you guys, I don't know if you have seen these before. They had a carbon fiber look, and I brought them to my friend. He sanded it down, he gave it primer, he gave it another black, and then he gave it some clear coat. I haven't put them next to my car yet, but I'm guessing this black is even blacker than the black on my car, just because it's an old car and this is brand new paint. Let's start by giving it a small wash so the tape really sticks to it.
Young foreign.
Don't be mean, I was a chubby kid.
So the problem that I just ran into is that it doesn't entirely fit. There's a small gap, and I'm going to try to fix it with double-sided tape, doubled up. Above that, I have a really fun idea for doing a wrap. Now do note that my car is dirty, but look at that paint difference. Now to give you guys one last trick, maybe something funny to watch. I don't know how it's going to go, let's hope I don't crash. I'm going to do a kickflip since it's over 2 years ago that I tried it. I used to be a skater, so it shouldn't be a problem, but let's see how it goes. Enjoy! Three tries. Oh, second try, boys. Enjoy. Peace.